Now in this section we are going to understand the Power BI Desktop versus Power BI Pro. So Power BI Desktop is a local free tool provided by Microsoft which runs on the Windows operating system. Basically, this tool is for the single user and includes data cleaning, preparation, custom visualizations, and the ability to publish the report to the Power BI services. So it's very important to understand the difference between the Power BI desktop and the service. So inside the Power BI desktop, we can connect to number of data sources and then we can transform that data into the report. But we cannot share that report unless we will publish that report to the services, cloud-based services, which is called Power BI service. Other than that, like I described below, it can connect of hundred of data sources, clean and prepare data using visual tools, build stunning reports with custom visuals, publish to the Power BI services, and embed into public website. Now comes the Power BI Pro. So since it is not a free service, so we have to pay some license per user monthly. So for now it is $9.99. So please check on the current prices because it keeps on changing. So you can check out on the website for the licensing if you are wish to purchase the license of a pro service. It also includes data collaboration, real-time view, and the ability to publish reports anywhere. Also, we can build dashboard that deliver a 360-degree real-time view of the business. So, the pro services, we can create our own dashboard. But if we talk about the Power BI desktop, there we cannot create a dashboard. So that is something which definitely creates a boundary between two of the versions. Keep up-to-date data automatically, including on-prem sources, collaborate on shared data. Since it runs on a cloud, so it keeps changing or updating automatically on-premise sources, or it can share the data. Audit and govern how data is accessed and used, package content to distribute users with the app. So all the things are handled by cloud pretty much, since it runs on a cloud. All its governance, packages, distribution. This is all about the pros licensing. So now we will deep dive into desktop versus pro. We already discussed Power BI Desktop is a free software which you can download from this URL. Power BI Pro is a paid services online cloud service which shares Power BI dashboard with other users, which you can check on this particular URL. So basically what we can achieve, first we have to develop and test Power BI dashboard into the desktop version, and then we have to publish that data which we have built using the desktop onto the cloud so that we can share with others. So I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and please do let me know if you have any query regarding this particular video. I'll definitely try to respond you, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel. All the information related to this particular video I have linked into the description box. Please do check out, and have a nice day, and thank you so much.